Now let's explore together how we can customize these shortcut buttons on your new 2026 Ioniq 9. Alright guys, so right now we're in the 2026 Ioniq 9 and we're going to show you how to navigate through the shortcut buttons. So you're going to swipe left, go to setup, click buttons, and then you're going to see various other options to customize your shortcut buttons. So the first one is going to be custom button navigation. So it's going to be this little empty star here under your dash, and then you have various other modes or shortcuts that you can choose from. Also custom button on the steering wheel, which is going to be this little shaded in star in your steering wheel. Same motion, you're going to have two shortcut buttons under your dash and on your steering wheel. Now mode button lets you choose, which is this one right here, lets you choose where you want your music to come from. So either Bluetooth audio, Amazon Music, SoundCloud, and various other channels. Now we have our up and down buttons. You can change your favorite station or channel and then frequency. You can just toggle this up and forth, see which one you want these features to adjust to what button. Now we also have the volume or tone knobs. This is pretty simple. You can just switch if you want these to switch roles. Now if you want this one to control the volume or vice versa, keep it simple. Control volume on the left side and the browser on the right side. You can choose to switch their modes. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please drop it in the comments. See you guys next time.